Hey y'all, I'm kinzeyrae. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a luxury empty apartment tour, and I am so excited to be doing this video. So I have actually been down here for about a month, and I was staying with one of my cousins that live here, and I was staying with her while I started my job, and I was also looking for a place. And it's funny because I applied to this place before I even came down here and looked at other places, just because I loved everything that I saw online. I loved all of the features, and they had a really good deal. So I decided to go ahead and apply, and I had got approved, and I was just like, let me just shop around a little more before I completely make my mind up and decide to move here. But ultimately, none of the other apartments beat this one, so I did decide to go with this one that I'm going to be showing you guys today. I am so in love with it. I definitely feel like I made a good decision. Also, I love the area that my apartment is in. It's kind of on the outskirts of Houston, low-key, but I decided to move out this way because I feel like I got more bang for my buck, because the rent is a little cheaper and the apartment is a little more updated than the ones that I was seeing in Houston for this price, in Houston. So yeah, I decided to kind of stick with the outskirts. I'm very excited to be here, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So yeah, before we go ahead and jump into the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also turn on my post notifications so that you don't miss a video, and let's go ahead and get into this tour. All right, y'all, so this is what you see when you first walk in. I have a little security system, which I have to ask them how I program it. And then off to the side is my washer and dryer. So I'm happy that this apartment did come with a in-unit washer and dryer. That was one of the biggest things I was looking for. And it's really nice and up to date. Has this glass door. Fancy. And then this is the dryer. And then I like that I have this little shelf up here, so I'll definitely be putting my detergent and everything up there. All right, so moving on from that area, it's just a view of my living room and my kitchen. So this is the kitchen area, and I love that they have these two lights right here, and I have a nice stainless steel dishwasher. And I love the sink. I'm not really sure what the name of this kind of sink is, but I just love how deep it is. And I love that it has the sprayer option, and you can kind of detach it and get the job done. And then from the sink, I just have this little counter area. I have some cabinets up top and some cabinets at the bottom. And I have these little drawers over here. I just have some more cabinets. I have a little wine rack, which will definitely be getting lots of use. I definitely love the appliances in this place. That was one of the things that really sold me. I'm the first person to rent this unit, so everything is fresh and brand new. And definitely have lots of cabinet space. I'll probably use this little area for my seasonings and stuff like that. And got two little counter areas on the side of the stove that'll come in handy. Another cabinet over here, and then a cabinet up here that I can barely reach. And my refrigerator is really nice size. Has a little ice maker on the inside. All right, and then moving on from the kitchen area is my living room, and I think it's a pretty nice size for just one person. Right here is my thermostat, and I do have the Nest thermostat system. I've never had one of these before or used it, so I'm definitely gonna have to play with it and figure it out. They did say that I can download an app, and I'll be able to control the thermostat from my app, which is cool. And then right here, I just have a little panel that just lets me, this one is for my light in the kitchen, And then I have this one. This is for my fan. And then this one is for my light outside on my patio. So coming around from that area is just a nice view of the living room. And I love the colors of the floor. And this little area right here is probably, well, not probably, it is where I'll be putting my TV. And I'll most likely be mounting it on the wall. And coming around is just my balcony. And right here is where I'll be putting my couch. So yeah, it's a pretty nice size living room. I just love it. I love the white walls. I'll definitely be doing like a bunch of try-on hauls and stuff in this area. And moving on from there is just the kitchen. So I love the layout of this place. Like, I love how open it is. It's like an open concept. And so, you know, you can have some company here on the couch, company watching TV. You got some company chilling at the bar. You can still see the TV from over there. So yeah, over here, I will probably put like 2 bar stools in this area. And I don't know what these switches are for. Like when I switch them, nothing happens. So I'm not really sure. This one is for the bar lights, but this one, I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. All right, so moving on from the living room, I just have my bedroom. I love it. It is very spacious. They brought my mattress this morning when I was picking up my keys. So I love that my mattress is here already. But yeah, I have a pretty big bedroom, which I love. And I'll just be putting my TV on that wall, of course. And I'll just have my bed probably like off to the side, like how my mattress is right now. Maybe not so much that way. I'll probably scoot it over a little more, but I'll definitely like leave some walkway to kind of like walk through here. And my bed is actually coming on Thursday. Today's Saturday. So I'll be having my bed pretty soon, which I'm excited about. And then moving on from my bedroom, I have my bathroom. And I love that I can access my bathroom from my room. But also, if I have guests over, they can access the bathroom from the hallway. So when you walk in the bathroom, I have like this little towel rack right here. And then there is like my little linen closet, which has a lot of storage in it. So I'll definitely be getting a lot of use out of this because I have like so many different like hair products and stuff. So I'm glad that I have a lot of storage. And then moving over is just my sink area, my mirror. I have some storage right here, some little drawers, my toilet. And the drawers are like nice and deep, so I can definitely fit a lot of things in here. I just have my sink. So my bathroom is like definitely a nice size. Like, it's pretty big for a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. And then moving on to the part of the apartment that just really sold me, the tub area. So this is actually a garden tub. It is just so like big and it looks so relaxing. I can have me a nice bubble bath in here. Y'all, it's been so long since I had a nice relaxing bubble bath. I usually always just take showers, but I definitely will be taking baths in this tub. It is so deep. I can lay back, have me a glass of wine, y'all. I'm so excited. And then it does also have a shower head, so I can definitely take a shower if I want to. It would have been like even better if I would have had a separate shower, but I'm definitely not complaining. So moving on from my tub area, I just have my closet, and my closet is pretty big. Like, it is a nice size walk-in closet, and I can access it from my bathroom. So I just walk in, I have some shelves up here. I have shelves behind the door, wrapping all around here. What is that? What is this? I don't know, it must be like a cable area, but yes, I have shelves going all around. And I have some shelves here, and this is probably just for like shirts that I'll be like folding and stuff. All right, y'all, so that is it for my apartment tour. As you guys can see, I am completely in love with it and I cannot wait to start decorating. I'm actually gonna be doing a vlog starting today of I'm about to go to IKEA and like do some shopping and stuff like that, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So definitely subscribe and stay tuned for those videos. If you have any questions about like a moving process and how to get approved and how I've been liking it here so far, definitely leave some comments below and I'll make a video if enough people are like interested. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one.